My name is Melissa Rodrigues. I am a fine art graduate from University of Wales Trinity St David, and I am also an invigilator. I came across opportunities to work as an invigilator while doing my BA in fine art. I felt the need to understand how the job market works for art practitioners and also understand better what I wanted to do, as I haven't decided yet if I wanted to be a freelance artist, if I wanted to be represented by a gallery, if I wanted to work in the management of a gallery, if I wanted to be a curator. So I needed to understand better how those roles are performed in a gallery in order to decide for myself what I wanted to do for my future. Being an invigilator basically is looking after the work while it's being exhibited, is also explaining the work to the public when asked, being able to chat with the public about the work. When an exhibition is being planned, the process is different depending on the venue where the exhibition is going to be shown. So, for example, if this is happening in a gallery, the entire staff will be invited for a walkthrough where either the gallery manager or the curator of the show or even the artist will be explaining the entire process behind this exhibition. While preparing for the most important exhibition that I have invigilated so far, the work of Sean Edwards in Venice for the Venice Biennale, the representation of Wales in 2019, we were 19 invigilators from all across Wales, from writers to designers to fine artists to art students. We all had group meetings where we would have one full day of training. That way we were way more prepared to represent this work and to be there on behalf of him, on behalf of Wales. I did cross with people from all over the world and all fields in the arts. So I am very, very grateful for all my experience.